Hanjiang Shui Edible Ice Factory is the largest and most well-run edible ice plant in Hunan Province. Of the entire edible ice plant were completed by first-class ice-making equipment company in China, Guangzhou Icesource Co. Limited. Hanjiang Shui Edible Ice Factory adopts CBFI LCCP food production workshop design concept, which consists packing materials room, laboratory, cold storage room, ice-making workshop, and palletizing area. The edible ice plant is equipped with a high-tech ultrafiltration membrane water purification filter. The ice-making water is clean and hygienic. The staff can only enter the ice-making workshop after changing the work clothes, washing hands, and air showers in strict accordance with strict food production regulations. The ice-making workshop adopts the CBFI automatic edible ice production line, which can realize the unmanned operation from ice making, storage, transportation, and packing. The whole process can be completed by only one worker. The edible cube ice machine adopts the two technologies of flat wall heat exchange and circulating hot gas ice harvest, which were developed independently by CBFI that greatly improves the performance of the ice machine. The automatic ice packing machine independently developed by CBFI. The whole process of ice cube production is in an isolated system which prevents contact with the outside pollution, and the sanitary requirements fully fit national standards. The edible ice packs are stacked and placed directly in the finished product's cold storage, whose temperature is controlled below -18 degrees Celsius. The laboratory is equipped with advanced testing instruments, strict sampling, and testing to ensure the quality and safety of ice so that consumers can rest assured.
Hanjiang Shui Ice Factory has efficient ice distribution vehicles serving every customer on time, efficiently, and enthusiastically.